Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna check out this problem that this car having. And they said there's something wrong with the parking sensor. So we're gonna use the scan tool and we're gonna check it out and see what the problem is. Go ahead, diagnostic. Let's go in diagnostic. Okay, let's go into it. There it is. Go next. Okay. It's gonna take a little while. Let's stay and wait for a little while. Okay, go health report and let's scan this bad boy. So what we're looking for is the parking right here signal. PMA. Okay, parking assistant right here. So this is the main thing right here. So it's the rear outer left. Okay, so rear outer left is the one I have problem. So go ahead and replace that and see what's next and see if that solve the problem. So the rear one, it should be right here. This one, outer left. So left is this side. So left is this side. So it's rear outer left. Okay, so I'll go ahead and replace that. When I open it up, I'll show you how to. So basically, there's one screw up here, and a screw down here, and right here, and then one on the side, as you can see, and a couple on the bottom. And you should be able to pull this whole left fender over here out to get to that and replace it. Now the sensor itself, if you order from the dealer, it costs about $400. So I did find from eBay for a lot cheaper than that, but we'll try it out and see if it's working out or not. So give me a second and let me open all this up and then try and unclip that and put the new sensor in. All right. Okay, so after I told you take all the screw right here, 1, 2, and upper one here, 3, and then at the bottom, there's one screw right here. I hope you can see it right here. And then you can pull this thing out. You just pull this thing out like this, and now you can access the sensor, as you can see over there. It's a little tight space, so I won't be able to capture it on camera, but I'll go ahead and take it out and I'll show you the sensor. So give me a second, okay? So this is the old sensor, and this is the new sensor. So let me show you. So new, I mean old. This is the new sensor I just got. New one. As you can see, they both look exactly the same. Same color. The only difference is the new one I got or from eBay is not the same version, so hopefully that will work. But both of them are original, so try to test it out and see if it's work. Okay, so it is. There it is. So I'll go ahead and bring that back in, put everything back, and see how that go. All right. So be right back. So I've got to show you how to unhook this clip right here. Unhook this tab. All you need to do is, you see this little size right here, the gray. So basically it's inside, so all you do is you push it out and then you push it, press it down, and then pull it out. So pull this out first and then press it down and then pull it out. So that's how you unhooked it. And now you just plug it back in. And then pull this back. And it should be fine. So I'll show you when I get it done. So I just put everything back with the new sensor. I'll go ahead and clear everything out and see if it come back. So I clear everything out, do a test drive and see if it's come back. And basically that's it. So as you see, I clear everything else. No fault code. So everything is good, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and turn this on and do a test drive and see if it come back. And that's it. So I'm just back from the test drive. Nothing come up. Everything's working like it's normal. Right now I'm just gonna go back into and do another test and see if any new errors is coming up for the parking assistant. So I'll go ahead and do a health report and see if any codes coming back. So this is telephone one, so it doesn't matter. So let's go to the parking assistant right here, and let's go and enter that. So it looks like there's nothing, no error code. Go ahead and continue. Go ahead and read the data stream, and we're gonna check out if the sensor in the back is working, the one we just installed. So this is from the rear. So now you want to pick the one we replace is the outer left, this one. So let's check outer left and let's say outer right, and then we're gonna go ahead and see if the range is still there. So it does detect the range for both the outer left, the one we just replaced, and similar to the outer right. So the outer left and the outer right, it does show up. So that's mean our replacement work, and look like everything's working normal now. So that's good news, and I guess we solved that problem. And I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.